Everybody, this is how you make a simple HTML page with TextEdit on a Mac. So the first thing I do is I make a new text file, and the TextEdit on the Mac needs to be changed to make plain text because it has its own text thing. So we go to format and then we make it plain text. Then we add a little symbol here, doc type HTML. We close that, and that lets the browser know that it's an HTML document. Then we make an HTML tag, and then we close it, HTML, to let to put in the actual HTML text. And we start with H1, close that, and we could do something like hello world, and then closing H1. And then we could go down and we could make a paragraph, and we could do something like welcome to my simple HTML page, close. And then so we have a very simple text here, and then we save that. And it's very important that when we save that, we could do untitled. We got to do .html. Save it as an HTML file. Okay? Yes, use HTML. Now I have it in my page, and when I open it up, you could see, hello world, welcome to my simple HTML page. And then when I change things here, I could add a couple exclamation points. I save it, reload it, and it's there. Let me know if you have any other things you want me to work on, and I'll add some more videos, answer your questions. Thank you so much.